So as you exit, slightly to the left between the standing cones, then going through the lane change. Quick, sudden lane change to the left and fending up. Keep looking ahead. Be prepared for the upcoming direction change. Be aware what is the track layout so that you are quick in terms of changing the direction as required. Number 6, get close to number 5, please. Close to number 5, yes. And then we will exit from the same gate as you entered from, and followed by one more right-hand U-turn. Taking between the cones, putting a car on the right-hand side of the first cone, followed by left and right, then left again. There are 4 left again. There are 4 cones, starting off with the right, left, right, left. And then coming to a stop in the box. As of now it is open, you can drive. Car number 1, please go and stop at the starting point. I'm going to put my car in the center and we will start off. Feel the car, feel the surface, because the surface will behave differently when you add speed to the car. Okay, so you need to go faster so that you get the feel of the surface, how that surface is behaving for you. Number 3, 3, 2, 1, go. Further again.
You see,
3820. Number 3, 3, 2, 1, go. Further again.
you see,
38. Number 4, clear to go, sir?
बड़ा खतरनाक ब्रेक है.